Hey everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We are here in Springfield, Massachusetts today, and this is the third stop on the Nexus Massachusetts World Tour. And I'll tell you what I mean. Number one is this: when we told you about Fall River, it got gobbled up and it is now a huge success story. And then second, I told you about Worcester, and within days, once again, gobbled up, and it's going to be opening on August 1st. And I told you about it back in May, so it's very quick to open that office. And now I'm here in Springfield doing the same exact thing. And the question you should be asking yourself is, will that success story be me? Is it going to be you? Because look at it this way, folks. Springfield is the third most populous city in Massachusetts, the metro area. So you have Boston, number one, number two, Worcester, number three, right here. Okay, Springfield is called the City of Homes. The City of Homes, that should tell you something right there. There is a place for everybody here in Springfield. And you have to pay attention to how much commerce, how much coming and going is here in Springfield. You have all of the colleges and universities. You have a newly built casino. You have professional sports teams. You have museums. You have theme parks. Okay, you have Bradley Airport just 20 minutes away. You have the interstates running right through. Okay, this is the heart. This is the heartbeat of central Massachusetts. And the best part about it is you do not, I repeat, do not need that broker's license to get started. Massachusetts is great in that regard. You can open your own property management company. You do not need to be a broker like you do in Rhode Island, like you do in Connecticut. Eventually you want to get that so you can help investors through our Invest program buy property and roll it into your management service. But to open your doors, you don't need that to collect the rent, to perform the maintenance. And that's what your bread and butter. And also, this is what I call the 2-for-1 special. If you want, you can also buy the Hartford territory. So our initial franchise fee is $25,000. That will get you Springfield. And then the second territory is discounted. It's only $15,000. One-time fee, that is. No renewal fee. So you could have Hartford. You could have Springfield. They're within 20 minutes of one another. You could easily maintain, manage, and dominate both of those markets. So that's the special here. Springfield not only will be successful on its own, but you also have the opportunity to expand just 20 minutes away. And I wish that our home office had that opportunity, but we didn't. But you can have it, and much more. Okay? So if you're interested in learning more about Springfield and why it will be successful, contact us today. Because if you wait till tomorrow, it might be gone. All right? Once again, this is Greg from Nexus Property Management here in Springfield, Massachusetts. Your property managed.